Hey, what's up my peeps? Welcome to another Jesus Taco video episode review of some Supreme, specifically Vans slip-ons that, yeah, I was pretty hyped about. I'm just gonna get into them. So remember to subscribe to this channel and yeah, just let people know that this channel exists, whatnot, that you can like be a person who follows the way of Jesus, follows the way of love, and you can be happy at the same time. So yeah, hit the subscribe, thumbs up. Oh, better not forget this. I am doing a raffle. There's going to be 3 winners. They're going to be able to pick from 3 different shirt designs, custom shirts that go along with the channel. And so here are some ideas that I have so far. I'm not sure if these are going to be the set ones, but some of you guys who follow the channel might know this shirt that I designed. It's got the tacos there, right? Back of it. It's a cool like frame. Inside of a frame, we've got the classic, just a single taco. And then this is not like the final that it turned out to be, but yeah, it's supposed to, yeah, whatever. We'll talk about that one maybe someday. And then this one, that's the back. This is the front. And yeah, so that's a cool shirt as well. Those are 3 shirt designs. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use those 3. Might be coming up with some new designs. Maybe I'll just stick with those ones that I already have because I've really only made 1 other of those ones. So they're still pretty special and there's not a whole lot of them out there. So what you gotta do is DM me on Instagram, your first and last name and your shipping address that you'd like your winning t-shirt to be shipped to. And yeah, once I let the winners know they've won, they can let me know their t-shirt size in that Instagram direct message system. And we'll go from there. So done with that, let's go ahead and break into this box. Alright, we got the big giant Supreme bag. You guys already know, love the giant Supreme bag. And then we did get a couple of box logo stickers, just standard red box logos. And then we have our Supreme Vans box. I'm not sure if like all the other seasons of Supreme Vans use this style of box or not, but I mean, I've got 2 of them now because I got the other Vans collab. This shoe is so cool. I really like this shoe. Without further ado, let's break open. Well, actually, let's look at the labels first. All right, here's this label. I'm sure everybody wants to see that, right? Everybody, you all want to know what's going on this box. Cool. All right, so without further ado, here we go. And cool, so this is like a plastic material, not a paper or anything. And it's transparent, it's got like texture to it. Oh, nice! So I thought these were just gonna be like grayed out, but there is a little bit of this blue, like navy, purplish color. It's probably just navy, but my mind might be playing tricks on me. It looks like there is a little bit of red in that blue to make it a purpley color. Let's get out the other one. Oh. Stick into the plastic. And there they are. Vans Pro on here. So your insole is going to be this big, huge chunk of Ultra Cush. Yeah. So there's that. Same with my other Vans. These ones here, they've got that Pro in them as well. So, you know, they got that big chunk, just like this one, except for this one says Supreme on there and everything. But this insole, it's just like the standard Vans Pro insole. Nothing particularly, nothing specifically that, you know, special about this one. I think I am going to take off this little sticker here. Oh, and then underneath you have the Pro Light construction. So that's going in there too. Yeah, basically the same structure as any of the new slip-ons with the newer technology that they're doing. They've even got like some text punched in on the side here. They probably have all these Vans, but I'll show it to you guys. Yeah. Duracap. So I don't know really what that means, but yeah, this upper is just standard canvas. You know, you got that nice insole. The bottom, they put a sticker on here. I don't know if all the pairs are gonna have this. It probably comes off, but it's there. Yeah, so I'm gonna take that sticker off. With this one, you do get a little sticker tag. So Vans Supreme sticker tag, kind of cool. All right, we've pretty much gone over the shoe as much as can be done on these. So, well, let's go ahead and let's throw them on feet. back. Guys, last time I posted a video, I said I was about to go to a tattoo appointment. I realized I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt today, so you guys couldn't have even have known that I just got a new tattoo. But it's on this arm, and my skin's a little bit irritated or whatever because of the changing weather, but it's all the continents. It's pretty cool. I should like get a better like picture of it for you guys or something. It's like hard to model this part of my arm this high. I don't know, like whatever. So yeah, it was cool, pretty fun. I mean, the experience wasn't great. You're just basically getting jammed a bunch of times, but just wanted to get it. I just care about the whole world. I care about everybody in this world, and we really need to be focused on it more, taking care of it. I believe that is something we're in charge of, is taking care of this planet. So any way that we can help others that are on this planet or help this planet, we need to take steps to do that. And the best way of doing that is by following the ways of Jesus, the way of loving other people more than yourself, the way of enemy love, where you go out of your way just to be kind to somebody who's not nice to you or who doesn't like you. So I'm not really sure if I'm gonna get more tattoos or whatnot. Right now, I can't say that I am gonna get any more, but that could always change. The future's unwritten. But yeah, let me shoot a verse at you guys before we end. I wanna read from, where was it? Is there a Philippians 1 in here? Philippians 1 verse 3. Every time I think of you, I give thanks to my God. That's all it is. It's just an encouragement. This was a guy in the Bible named Paul, and he was writing to some people, and he's just telling them, every time I think of you, I'm thankful to God. And that's like such a positive way to view life, when you can tell other people around you, your friends or relatives, that, hey, I'm thinking about you and I'm just thankful that you're in my life. Just being a type of person that says that to other people can really encourage other people, and it causes a ripple effect where they're gonna go out and be encouraged, and so they may go and encourage somebody else, and it just keeps going and keeps going because everybody is caring for each other and loving for each other. And I know that's only in a perfect world is everybody's gonna do that, but I don't think we live in a perfect world. But anyways, we can still do our part as best as we can to create, you know, that perfect world where people are loving and caring. So we can only control ourselves, so let's do our best job to push this world in a positive direction. Anyways, love you all, care about you, you know I do, and hit me up, yeah? Alright, peace.